In this video, I'll show you the best free voice changer for Valorant. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And let's get right into this video. So the first thing you need to go and do is go and open up a web browser. Personally, I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you would like, and they need to come to a search engine, and I'm just using Google. And all you need to do is go and search for this voice changing software called Clownfish, and it's completely free. And you spell it CLOWNFISH, and then just type in voice changer, just like so, and go and search for it. And then all you want to do is make sure you come to the official website, which is clownfish-translator.com, and here we are on the website. So come to the top, and all you need to do is go and click on download in this top bar, just like so, and here we are. And then all you need to do is go and download. I recommend going for a 64-bit version. I usually go for this one here. So go and tap on it just like so, and the download will begin. Now every browser is slightly different with how it downloads files. With Google Chrome, it puts it into the bottom of the browser, but every browser is slightly different. But you can always go and find your downloads in your file explorer in the downloads folder. But in this case, I'm just going to go and drag it onto my desktop, but you may need to go and open up your downloads folder to go and find the installer, and then we can come and close off of our browser. Then all you want to do is go and drag this into the middle just so you guys can see, and you want to go and double tap on the installer. Now you are going to go and get a Windows security pop-up, and unfortunately I can't go and record that, it just doesn't let me. So here we are on the setup wizard, so let's go and press next, and then all you need to do is choose if you want these bits. I do, and then you can choose the destination folder, that's fine with me. Now all you need to do is go and press install, and what's going to go and happen is in a moment we're going to go and get this terminal. As you can see here, we do need to go and restart our audio service, so I'll have to stop recording because you won't be able to hear my mic. But all you need to do is type in Y, and then you press enter, and then it's going to go and run it, and then it's going to go and restart the service as well. And then once the audio service is stopped and it started again, you'll then go and get the screen here saying the installation was complete, and we can go and press continue, and then we can go and press finish. Then you can go and delete the installer just like so, and then we want to go and open up Clownfish. So in this case, it's on my desktop because that's what I selected. But if you didn't get it onto your desktop, then all you need to do is come down to the search icon, and then you can go and search for Clownfish and go and open it up. But in this case, I'm just going to go and double tap on it just like so, and then it's going to go and appear in the bottom right of your taskbar. However, it may not actually appear here. You may need to go and click on the show hidden icons button, and then it'll be in here. Then all you need to do is right click on it, and we get these options here. And what you need to do is go and press on setup, and then go and press system integration. And I'm going to go and zoom in on this for you guys so you can go and see it. Now what you need to do here is go under the section called install/remove voice changer. And as you can see, we've got all of these different mics and inputs. But what you need to go and do is essentially go and select the microphone you want to go and use in Valorant as your voice changer and what you speak through. So I personally always use my USB PNP sound device. That's why it says installed and remove. However, if you want to go and use a different microphone, for example, the HD webcam, if I wanted to use that, I'd need to go and remove this one and install this one, and then also select that in the Valorant settings. But I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Anyways, just make sure you got the right mic selected and go and press close. And then you need to go and find Clownfish again, so go and press on the show hidden icons button, and then right click on Clownfish, and then all you want to do is go and click on set voice changer, and this is going to go and open up the voice changing panel. So this is the panel you're going to go and use to go and choose what voice you like. For example, I could go and click on male pitch,
and as you can hear, it's now sounding like a male pitch voice. I could go and press
helium as well, and it now sounds like helium. And to remove it, go and press
clear effect. So you want to go and keep this sort of panel open while you're using Valorant, and then you can go and change the effect, or you can just leave it on it doesn't matter. So for example, if you knew you wanted to go and get into a game, you could go and set
your voice changer now, and then go and join Valorant. So the next thing you need to do is go and open up Valorant.
So now all you want to do is go and open up Valorant, and you need to go and open up the settings. And then once you've opened up the settings, you need to go and press on audio. It should be along the top. And then what you need to do is go and press on voice chat. And then you're going to see a list of sort of settings to do with voice chat. And what you need to do is go and look for input device, and then it may say something like default system device. Now what you want to do is go and click on the drop down menu, and you need to make sure you've got the same microphone selected as you selected in Clownfish, which I just showed you. So in my case, it'd be the microphone USB PNP sound device. I'll go and make sure that's selected. And then when you go and change your voice using Clownfish, it's then going to be reflected inside of Valorant. Otherwise, if you're using different microphones, the effect is not going to go and be applied. And there we go. You can then go and change your voice inside of Valorant. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing. Leave a like for more. Peace.